Y'all get strapped up.
Go hard, 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 go hard. Lord, kill me if I don't preach the gospel. Still in my 20s, but I die if I got it. Man, I'm already dead. Might forget my flesh. I done been crossed over. See the full court press. I'm a full court mess if the Lord don't use me. Running from my trials, thinking everything's groovy. If the cross don't move me, then I don't wanna breathe no more. If I ain't seeing Christ, partner, I don't wanna see no more. Rep him every day without worrying about a bruise. And I've been to China, man, I seen some real persecution. If you didn't know Christ, would your life look the same? Can they tell you value Jesus by the way you rep his name? Hey, what's the point of living if I'm living for myself? Lord, empty out my life before I put you on the shelf. So for God I go hard, I don't wanna die tonight. But it's too many people living who ain't heard about the Christ. Go hard, 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 go hard. Lord, use me, 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 go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard. Lord, use me, 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 Lord, use me. Went to Asia, had to duck and hide for sharing my faith. They tell me water it down when I get back to the States. They say tone the music down, you might sell a lot of records, but there's people out here dying and none of them heard the message. Took my wifey on a mission trip, hit Central America, shared her testimony, 40 people stood and stared at her. When she said Jesus, should've seen it was insane, cause 40 out of 40 never heard of Jesus' name. Oh man, we ain't focused on the war, we just kicking it. Worry about our image and our space up on the internet. Take me at the game, coach, I don't wanna play no more.
I know we played this game before, but that doesn't mean we're still the same as we were. It means we're different and we played harder. We're playing harder, we're winning more than we had last game. I think it was like 7-something, now we're 8. We have 8 and they're 16. I don't care. I just want our team to have a good game.
Use me, Lord, use me, Lord, use me, Lord, use me, Lord, use me, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard. Lord, use me, 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 Lord. Let's get it, go hard for the Lord, made it till He take us home. Go hard for the Father, baby, go get it on. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That's what that is, baby. That's what that mean. That's what that mean. That mean that we should be out up in the streets, not just in houses with our Bibles, summarizing what we read. Man, this ain't deep. While we ain't doing what we read, it's like we sleep. But sinners sleep off when they sleep, so why can't we? The redeemed of the Lord act out what He said and make a scene for the Lord. Action cut. Say what? Like we was the director, but you better get a grip like every since you get to stepping. I know you done it, done and heard it all. You was going hard for the Lord before you heard this song. But don't play yourself to sack yourself and walk in fear. Scriptures like a mirror, the truth is closer than it appears. Go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard, go hard.
Game ball tonight. This guy all year chases down plays from the behind. He's really quiet. He doesn't really talk. He don't ask a whole lot of questions when we're out there. He knows what his job is. His last name's Walker, and I don't know why, because he don't do much walking. He's running. He's chasing down plays. He's the biggest guy on the team, and he chases down everybody from behind. So Jonathan, good game, bro.
Let's go, Jonathan.
Yeah.
Proud of you, boy.
All right, here you go. Hands in.